possibly the weirdest camera angle I've done yet, but I just wanted to get this part of the video out before I forget. I have the opportunity to do a drop shipping program with a veteran company. So they sell posters, calendars, all this. They are asking, because I have veteran decals on my website, they're asking if they could drop ship through my website, and I said that would be amazing, because I've actually wanted to try this and see if it would be if it would work good for me, because if it does, then I can start going to companies and start selling my products on their website, and then it's just, I thought that would be a pretty good idea. So they're asking for my base price. They're like my, or just like my drop shipping price between a 12-inch, a 24-inch, and a 48-inch decal. And I'm just frozen because they want to put these up as soon as possible. And I told them I'd get back to them today, but I'm just struggling with finding the business price for a drop shipping product, because they don't have any inventory and they're not going to struggle, with anything except sending me an email saying, hey, this is how much they bought, blah, blah, blah. What do you think is fair? And I know this video is going to come out by the time that, I've already confirmed the prices, because they want these done today, but I was just thinking 20% or 25% less than the cost I'm already selling on my website. But the thing is on my website, I have my prices fluctuate on all the 12 inches, because I've made a lot of these products earlier and later, and so there's so many of them. So what would you do in my situation? What pricing would you put? Would you put like 10% less? Because they're not doing anything. They're just gonna send you an email going, hey, this sold. I don't know. I'm trying to figure that out right now. So yeah, I'm just telling you my struggle right now. I'm telling you where it's a good point. This is a good opportunity. So I'm not stressing too much. I just don't want them to come back and be like, well, your site has this pricing for this, but they want a streamlined price, and I totally understand. That's what I want to give them, is a streamlined price, so it's not complicated for them. They know the pricing that I'm gonna give to them when they have the purchase. So I don't know. I just woke up not too long ago, and that is my first thing that I need to get done today, is send her that email. So anyways, let's get back to the video. Thank you all so much for watching. Appreciate you. All right, so we started off with getting these cat decals getting created. We haven't made these in a little while, and I needed to restock, and so that is what I'm doing right here. And so I don't know, this is pretty entertaining, honestly. I like doing that. And then putting these shipping labels on the packages, and then I'm getting these stickers out. I hope you guys enjoy the angles. I'm just always moving it around. We got our mug boats here, so we did a lot of 3-pack mug boat vintage style SKUs, and then we had like 5 of the OG. All right, so we got our orders out here, and now I'm gonna do some back end work. I gotta go drop my parents off at the airport, because I am heading to their house, which I'll bring all my stuff that's in here to their house, I think Monday. So not tonight, I don't think, but on Monday I will, but I still have to go back and forth. So today's gonna be pretty busy, so it may be the end of the video, we'll see. What's up, y'all? This is the end of the video. I just wanted to actually make that clear. I'm at my parents' house. I don't have any of my stuff. I'm gonna have to grab it tomorrow in my dad's truck, or my GTI is too small for that. So I'm editing the video right now. So I'm doing that. Tomorrow, we're gonna have a pretty busy day as well. So I'm excited about the drop shipping. So I ended up not telling you guys that because I forgot, but now I'm gonna tell you, because I finally found out the woman that owns the veteran business accepted my offer for the drop shipping deal. So that may be a good thing. We might actually have another stream of income coming in. They get 100,000 views every month on their website. So I'm hoping you get a few sales a month, but anything helps, right? So yeah, so anyways, we have that, and then a decal supplier I've been talking to. I might accept their offer on some decals to get made. I had a subscriber comment down below. They're like, why don't you get decals from suppliers? And I'm like, yeah, let me see if I can do that. For some of my decals that take a long time, I'd rather have someone else do them, and I might have found somebody. So I'll keep you in touch on that. But yeah, this is the end of the video. So let's go over yesterday's revenue and see how much money we made. All right, so yesterday was a pretty low day at $15.96 on eBay. And on Amazon, we had a pretty high day at $775. That's why I blurred it out yesterday. So we got a total of $792. So pretty good day, I'd say. We need to be at $1,000 a day to hit 30, but
we need to make a little bit more than that now because we're only at 14.3 and it is already the 23rd. So we need to be at $23,000 right now. But with the things that are happening, with the drop shipping opportunity, with my mug boats coming in, with products coming in, with decals that I'm getting it created, we might have a pretty good month, maybe by the end of this month or the start of next month. So if you enjoyed these videos and you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe down below. I make a video every single day until we hit $30,000 a month, and I would love to have you all with me. And if you also enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps with the YouTube algorithm, as you know. It would help me out. So I really appreciate it. Have more people like you be able to see my videos. So I really appreciate it. And I will see you all for Friday. Happy Thursday. And I am excited for Friday. And I know you are too. So happy Friday, or happy Thursday. And I will see you guys tomorrow for day 54 on the path to $30,000 a month. All right. See you then.